Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A3 rear spring, full guide. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and loosening the wheel nuts before lifting the rear with a jack. Use jack stands, remove the wheel, detach the shock lower bolt and sway bar link to relieve spring tension. Compress the spring safely, swap in the new spring, then reassemble torquing bolts to manufacturer specs and check ride height and alignment. Gather the right tools and follow safety steps before starting any suspension work. Use a quality jack and rated jack stands and wear eye protection and gloves. Inspect parts for corrosion and plan to replace related hardware like shocks or mounts if worn. Take photos during disassembly to aid reassembly and keep bolts organized by location. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. If unsure, consult a professional. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings helpful hands-free audio while you work in the garage, so you can call up instructions without dirtying your phone. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, it keeps the channel running. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. It fits on a shelf and sounds great for podcasts or voice prompts. Now let's get back to the video. Begin removal by lowering the rear slightly to take load off the spring, then remove wheel and brake caliper if needed. Unbolt sway bar link and shock lower mount to free spring tension. Carefully use a spring compressor to control and remove the spring assembly, noting orientation and any isolators. Replace spring, decompress slowly, reassemble in reverse order, torque bolts to proper specs, and test drive briefly to confirm handling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.